Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry spaghetti with egg. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for this delicious dish. You'll need about 1 pound of spaghetti, 2 large eggs, and a colorful mix of vegetables like bell peppers and carrots. For the sauce, combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Don't forget your cooking oil, minced garlic, and sliced onions to build the flavor base. Now, let's get everything prepped for the stir-fry. Begin by cooking your 1 pound of spaghetti until it's perfectly al dente, then drain and set it aside. Next, whisk 2 eggs and quickly scramble them in a hot pan. Remove them once cooked. Finally, chop all your vegetables, such as bell peppers, carrots, and cabbage, into consistent, bite-sized pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and quickly in the wok. It's time for the exciting stir-frying process. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in your wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. First, add the minced garlic and sliced onions, sautéing them for about 1 minute until they become wonderfully fragrant. Next, toss in your chopped vegetables, stir-frying for 3 to 5 minutes until they are tender crisp. Finally, add the cooked spaghetti, scrambled egg, and pour in your savory sauce, tossing everything together. For the grand finale, continue to toss all the ingredients together in the wok for another 1 to 2 minutes. This ensures the sauce evenly coats every strand of spaghetti and all the flavors meld beautifully. Taste your creation and adjust the seasoning if needed, perhaps a dash more soy sauce or a pinch of sugar. Serve your delicious stir-fry spaghetti with egg immediately, perhaps garnished with fresh green onions or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for an extra touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.